This 2016 Itasca Meridian 40R is a Class A RV. It is located in Rockwall, Texas, 75087 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Rockwall. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Itasca is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4 and 85 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, couples coach, front kitchen, full wall slide, mid-bath, mid-living area, rear bath, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.